Good evening. I'm Mrs. Rosin. Bienvenidos a la clase de español. This year I'll be teaching Spanish 1 and 2. It's my 16th year at planned by my very first open house virtually. Normally at open house, I give you a list of supplies, tell you about all kinds of things going on in the class, but this year is so different. The only thing I can tell you is you will need a notebook and something to write with. And the most important thing you'll need is a Wi-Fi enabled device. You'll need a computer, phone, or tablet for assignments in this class. If you don't have one, I can help you to get hooked up with one through the school. So please message me through Canvas. I'm happy to work with you. I'm so looking forward to meeting you in person, and it's been a pleasure introducing myself to you tonight. Mucho gusto.